are at our new gift factory in Poole, where we're currently wrapping 14,000 gifts a day, and by the end of October that's going to be up to 20,000 gifts a day. How's this for a fabulous idea from Jill? Popcorn instead of the shredded paper. It's biodegradable, it's light, and we're going to be using 8 tons of it a month. That'll help us save the planet. And here's our fabulous popcorn machine. It's popping nearly 24 hours a day at the moment to keep up with the factory and with mail order. When it comes out of here nice and hot, you can eat it. But once it's been in the box, it tastes a bit perfumed. I wouldn't recommend it. So here we are on the production line of the Lush Legends gift, and here's 2 of our own Lush Legends, Gary and Nat. So guys, what's going to be happening in the gifts this year then?
Well, something that's different this year is this new fanzine that's been brought out. This will replace our inserts and our 10% vouchers that we add inside it.
Right.
Basically what it has in here is all the gift components rather than being type specific to the actual gift. It's got some customer comments in there, some fun Lush things.
Oh, lots of so this is really lovely to read in the bath then.
Absolutely,
it's just a lot of fun, is it? And info.
Absolutely.
Oh, brilliant.
Okay.
And Matt, what have you got there?
I've got a supersized Lush pod here.
Yeah?
Which is a product where the product is actually the packaging as well. You can use all of this in your bath, apart from the insert. And it's also got 2 soaps inside there as well. There's a snow cake and a Bob soap in there.
Yeah. And is this goes out just like this, or it's wrapped in
It is wrapped in a biodegradable film instead of using cellophane, so you can compost that in your garden, and it's all very environmental.
Oh, that's brilliant. I like the idea of this one. So how many gifts in total do you think you're going to be doing over this Christmas period?
This year we're going to be doing just over 1 million gifts.
1 million a gift. My word, you 2 are going to be exhausted come Christmas Day, aren't you?
We will.
Well, thank you both, Gary and Matt, and you better get back to it, boys. So that's our tour of one of the busiest rooms in the factory this Christmas. So from all of us at Gift, Merry Christmas!